Okay, what are we doing?
We're going golfing. Well, actually, we're not golfing. Well, technically, we are golfing. What we're gonna go
teach
the driving range.
We're gonna go teach Jaslove how to golf.
Exactly. You're gonna golf for the first time. It's gonna be great. You're gonna get lessons from me, Ben Turner, Lance Son. Highly qualified. I've only been playing for a year, so I'm very good. Actually, I'm pretty bad, but that's okay. I tell people I'm not very good, but I don't suck.
We'll see. If I'm sucked, then
We'll blame Ben, the teacher.
Alright, so here's where we go. This is where you get our buckets. That's a big bucket. It shits them out. You take that, stick that right here,
Oh, that one.
and then you got our numbers here. So we got
Play with your balls.
Well, since you don't know how to play golf, I'll just play like that. Well, you don't know how to play.
So we're gonna start you off with a 9-iron.
I don't know how to play.
Ben's gonna show you.
Hit it. Ben ought to give her a little swing lesson.
He's going to. That's what he's gonna
Here's
do.
Here's how to play. So when you're holding the club, what you want to do first is just think about it like just hold it with your left hand. And what I want you to do is just pretend like you're swinging like that with just your left hand.
This is heavy.
But I just want to, see that's the motion that you're trying to do is it's with your left hand. But so that being said, so what you want to do is you want to take your hands, you interlink. So just take your pinky, put it between the index finger there. Yep, just like that. And then you just hold the club. And that's just to keep it from wobbling like that when you swing.
Okay.
Okay. And then when you're looking at it, you want to make sure that you want to rotate it. So see how what you want is that to be pointed that way. So it's a straight line. Does that make sense?
Okay.
So like if it's looking like this, or if it's looking like this, you're holding the club wrong. You want it so that this guy is a straight line. Does that make sense?
All right, then I got it.
And then you want that right in the middle, right? And then the only thing that I want you to really think about when you're swinging is just try and keep this arm straight.
How do you make it straight?
So swing backwards with me. Pull back. Yeah, see how you're keeping this arm straight? Kind of feels a little weird. And you're doing it right.
Okay. Okay.
So, and then when you hit it, just keep your eye on the ball. You don't want to look. You want to look the direction you want to go. But then when you hit, just focus on hitting the ball. And it's okay to hit the dirt a little bit.
Can I try now?
You go for it.
I got that.
You're gonna do that a couple times. It's gonna be great. Your first couple swings, but try and keep your feet. You don't want to rock. And it's a kind of a twisting motion.
Okay. Like this.
And try and keep your left arm straight.
See, I still can't get it.
The other trick is you don't have to go far back. So you don't have to go all the way back up. You can't. You will want to eventually. But if you're starting out, it's okay to just go like little, kind of. Whoop, I almost got you there. But you can do just a little one, just like that.
Okay.
So don't go, because the trick is if you hit it right, it goes really far without you needing to hit it hard.
This is hard.
Yeah, it is.
Watch out.
Go for it.
Hey, that's a good one.
Well, you got a bunch more.
Oh. Oh, that's triumph. Not final. That's hard. Almost. Whoa!
Oh, you hit a bird.
Hit a bird.
You hit a bird.
You got a birdie. That's your first birdie.
Yeah, there you go.
I got
Oh, Denise hit a bird. Poor bird can't stand up now.
This thing's really cool when you actually hit it right. That's my favorite club. This thing is harder than...
Is that a 7?
No, it's a hybrid.
Oh, okay.
Not the ball. The trick is...
Are you kidding? I don't know how to play this game.
You're
This
doing
is
good.
fun.
Just slow down. Don't try and hit it so hard.
Hey you guys, I got a secret. If you like and subscribe, I'm gonna show you more videos. Oh wow, you go to that red one. Wrong, I said red.
What you got? A birdie. A birdie.
Thanks for watching my channel.
It's the best.